This absolute madman decided to stuff McDonald's French fries into the exhaust pipe of a $400,000 Lamborghini just to see what would happen when he fired up the engine. He made absolutely sure to cram every single fry into that exhaust. Not satisfied with just one box, he emptied 2 entire boxes of fries before heading to the driver's seat to start this expensive experiment. What happens next is absolutely insane. Probably not what the Italian engineers had in mind during testing. This might be the most expensive way anyone's ever cooked McDonald's fries. That warranty is definitely voided now.